So I went to the layers panel and notice I've got the pin in it so that it doesn't collapse on me. And I'm going to locate the Lay Merge tool, which is right here, Laymrg. I'm going to click on that, and then it asks me to select an object on a layer to merge. And I can right click and select name, and then I get this nice little dialog box where I don't even have to type, I can just select. And I'll say a wall and OK. And then it asks me if I still want another layer, and I'm just going to press enter. And then it asks me select an object on the target layer, or I can right click and say name, and then I'm going to come down and select A walls. So that's going to move everything that's on the A wall layer onto the A walls layer. And I'm going to say OK. And it says you're about to merge layer A wall into layer A walls. All blocks referenced in the merge layer will be redefined. Do you wish to continue? I say yes. And it moved it. And notice if I come down here, the A wall layer has been deleted and I just have the A walls layer. And now if I go back to doing a Q select and I ask for everything on layer A walls, notice both the plan and the elevation walls highlight. So that was using the Lay Merge, but we also have the ability to merge layers using Lay Trans. The Lay Translator is on the Manage ribbon, so I'm going to move over to the Manage ribbon, and my Layer Translator is right here. And notice the command here is Lay Trans, Laytrans, and I'm going to bring that up. And in order to merge layers here, I need to create a new layer or load a drawing, or load it's like a standards drawing. So I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to call it A-walls final. And notice that I can set the line type and the color and the transparency for this new layer. And then I'm going to locate A walls here and A wall here and map them together. So notice it says A wall is going to A walls final and A walls is going to A walls final. So these two layers will be deleted and all of the elements will be moved over to A walls finals. And then I'll say translate. And I can save the mapping information or translate only. If you have a lot of drawings coming from the same vendor and they have the same layer name problems and issues, you may want to save the mapping information so that you don't have to constantly be resetting it. But we're just going to do layer translate. I'm going to go back to the home ribbon, and you'll notice the A wall and the A walls layer have been deleted, and we just have the A walls final layer. And again, if I go over to quick select and select anything that is on the layer called A walls final and say OK, notice they all are selected. So both Lay Merge and Lay Trans do the same thing, they just do it